How to fix update KB5095093 failed to install in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, KB5095093 is the June 2026 preview update for Windows 11 25H2 and 24H2. If you encounter any problem installing this update, then follow the steps. The first method is install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, launch a browser, type Microsoft Update Catalog, press enter, click on this link. In this search box, type the update name KB5095093, KB5095093 and click on search. Here you find multiple files. Make sure which file is compatible with your system. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on About. Here is system type. Mine is 64-bit operating system. Check yours and find the file compatible with your system. This file is compatible with my system x64 25H2. Check yours and click on the respective download button. Click on the link having KB5095093. Let the file download. Wait for some time. The size of this Windows update is 4.8 GB, so it may take some time depending on the internet speed. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon, right click on this file and select open. Do you want to install the following Windows software update? Update for Windows KB5095093. Click on yes and follow the on-screen instructions until the completion of the installation. If the problem still persists, fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. Click on OK on this pop-up. After clicking on OK, repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be downloaded here. Wait for the downloading to complete and then restart your computer. After restarting, again check for updates and try to install the preview update. If the issue still persists, reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt opens up, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these command lines. These are commands to reset Windows Update components. Copy the first line from the description of this video, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste, hit enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running these commands, close the command prompt and close other running tasks and restart your computer. If the problem is still not solved, then modify services. Click on search, type services, click on services, scroll down and look for Windows Update. Right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic, click on apply and click on Start if the service is stopped. Click on OK. In the same way, go to Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Apply, click on Start, click on OK. Now come to App Readiness, right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Apply, click on Start, click on OK. In the same manner, look for cryptographic services. This one, right click on this service, select Properties. A startup type is already automatic and service is running, so nothing is needed. Click on OK. Close the services window and then check for updates. Here you will find Check for Updates button. Click on it. The next method is Run System Files Checker and DISM Tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, click on Run as Administrator. Again go to video description. This time you will have to run these two commands. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once completed, copy the DISM restore health command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Let the process complete. Once completed, close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.